Pwede daw ba yun ate? Iba yung jersey ng pagtaas.
Hindi, yung kay kasi pinalik ko yung niya sa amin.
Sira?
Pinapayaran.
Pwede yan.
Nagkamali po kasi yung jersey niya, binalik sa amin. So babaguhin, papalitan
Okay, wala pa
yun.
si jersey.
Kapag kami naman yung may fault, okay lang yun. Pero pag po, hindi po pwede.
Hello.
Ay, bola.
Number 13. Number 13, nagdadala ng bola pass to number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Tumira ng press, wala. Nakuha nila ng number 3. Wala, nakuha ng ball. Kuya EJ. Nagpapadala kay Kuya EJ. Pass to number 17. 15 to shoot. Number 17. Pass to number 12. Basket. Number 3 to number 13. Tumira ng press. Wala. Kuha ni number 42. Number 42. Pinasa sa ilalim, basket. Number 2. Pass to number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Basket. Number 17. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 17, pass to number 8. Number 8, 10 to shoot. Kuya EJ. Pass to number 8. 5 to shoot. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Sinang sa ilalim, basket. Number 42. 15 to shoot, Kuya EJ. Pass to number 29. 10 to shoot. Wala nakuha ni Kuya. Number 8. 10 to shoot, number 29. To number 42. Basket yan. Time remaining for the minutes in 45 seconds. Number 1. Number 1, Ginugulo. Pinag sa ilalim. To number 1 again. 10 to shoot. Number 30, tumira ng 3. Basket. Kuya EJ, pinasa sa referee. Number 2, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, Ginugulo. 15 to shoot. Pinasa kay number 1. 7 to shoot. Number 1. Pass to number 13, tumira ng 3. Wala.
Nice one.
Ang bola pass to number 70. Number 70, Dubi Discarte. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 29. 10 to shoot. Number 72, Kuya EJ. Basket yan. Bilang sa ilalim, number 1. Number 1, Dubi Discarte. 15 to shoot. Number 3.
Three.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 29. Tumira. Basket.
Magsabi ka na
Number 2. Number 3.
Nice.
Basket. Ball shot. Basket. Time remaining 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Kuya EJ. Pass to number 40 Tumula. One line nakuha ni number 95 to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 13 to number 1. 16 to shoot. Number 1.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, meme?
First personal foul, second team foul. Basket. Number 17, nagdadala ng bola. Tumira ng press, wala.
Di parating pa naman yung mga
Sabrat, sabrat.
Hindi makakapagpapin na yung building.
Number 3, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to one time. Basket here by number 1. Number 17, pass to Kuya EJ. Tumira, wala.
Walang sahod yan.
Number 3. Number 3. 15 to shoot to number 31.
Nice po.
Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ. Pass to number 17. 15 to shoot. Number 29 to Kuya EJ. Wala. Number 3. Foul. Number 29. First personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 31 to number 3. To number 18 to be the threat. Three. Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ, pass to number 17, to number 29, to number 8. Wala, nakuha ni number 1. Number 1 to number 13, number 13, basket. Number 17, dadala ng bola. Number 17, pass to number 42. 15 to shoot, number 42. Wala, naagawan ni number 31. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to Bakake. Basket. Number 8. Basket. 45 seconds time remaining. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 13 to Mira Tres. Kuya EJ nagmamadali. Kuya EJ. Pass to number 8. 21 seconds time remaining. Number 42. Wala, nakuha ni number 18. Pinasa sa ilalim, number 3. Foul. Number 6. First personal foul, lining for penalty. 14 seconds time remaining. Basket. Basket again.
Ako lang talaga dapat siya ako din.
Number 42.
Foul ka?
11 seconds time remaining.
Wala pa dito sa POG. Last year pa
11 seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh,
5 seconds. Running time po, running time. Number 13. Pastor number 95.
nice.
Basket. Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ, pass to number 8. Number 8, pinasa sa ilalim. Wala na kuha ni number 95. Rapidly. Number 8. Pass to number 42. To number 28. 15 to shoot. Number 42. Basket. Number 31. Pass to number 13. To Dina Tres. Wala. Nakuha ng number 8. Pass to number 22. To Kuya EJ. Basket yan. Number 31, pass to 18. 295. To number 25. Basket. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 32, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha. Basket. Number 21. Number 8, 6 minutes and 9 seconds.
Besa po!
Kuya EJ, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 42, tumira. Wala, nakuha ni number 95. Number 13. Nadala ng bola. Number 13, Luis Carter. 15 to shoot.
Oy!
Uy, nakuha ni number 42. Number 42, nagpapadala. Wala, nakuha ni number 14. Number 30. Paso number 15.
Ay!
Wala, nakuha ni number 9. To number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 8. Wala. Save ball. 15 to shoot. Number 32, Mina Tres. Wala, nakuha number 18.
Ay!
Number 18.
Nice look!
Wala. Uy, nakuha ni Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ to number 22. Wala. Number 13, Tumira Tres. Bakuri.
Naka-one.
Kuya EJ. 15 to shoot. Kuya EJ. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 32, number 13.
Nice.
Basket. Number 22. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakuha ng kalaban. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 55. Nagagawan. Number 22. Pass to number 9. Basket. Number 21. Kuya TJ nagdadala ng ball. Pass to number 22. 15 to shoot. Number 29. 10 to shoot. Bang! Number 3. Dadala ng bola. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Pass to number 9. Ang bola nakuha ni Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ nagmamadali. Pass to number 22. Basket. Number 13. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 95. To number 55.
Wow.
7 to shoot. Number 3. Nakuha ni Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ. Sabi. Number 1. 10 to number 1.
Oy.
Time remaining 2 minutes 15 seconds. Number 2. Uy, nakailangan bola. Number 29. Dadala ng bola. Number 29. 15 to shoot. Number 29, Gitsugulo. Pass to number 22. 10 to shoot. To number 42. Wala na kuha ni number 1. Number 1 pass to number 3. Number 3 si Pat.
Ay, oy.
Nakuha ni number 22 to number 42. Number 42 pass to number 29. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1, Gitsugulo. Gitsugulo, number 1. To number 13. 15 to shoot. Number 13. 10 to shoot. Number 1. To number 55. 5 to shoot. Number 13. Wala.
Ay, sayang.
Uy, nakuha. Number 1.
Out.
Basket. 58 seconds time remaining. Number 22. Uy, nakagawan. Number 55. Nagpapadali. Pass to number 13.
Ay.
32 number 1.
Ha. Sulit lang.
49 seconds time remaining.
Tama
Kuya
yun.
PJ. Pass to number 29. Tumira ng 3. Back to read. Seconds time remaining. Number 3. Number 3, Gitsugulo. 10 to number 3. Wala na kuha ni number 9. Kuya PJ. Pinasa kay number 29. Bang! 15 seconds. Number 3. 10 seconds. Number 3. Pass to number 1.
Foul.
Basket. 5 seconds. 70. Pass to number 29 to Mira Tres. Wow! Three. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Pass to number 1 to Mira ng 3. Wala na kuha ni number 42. Number 42 to number 9 to number 17 to number 29. Number 29, Ginuglo. 15 to shoot. Uy, nakakawan. Number 55. Number 55, Bilbad. Wala na kuha ni number 1. Basket. Number 8. Pinasa sa labas. Official score, 49-33 in favor of Pasig. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Ginuglo. Pass to number. Second personal foul. Number 55. Pass to number 1. Basket. Number 42. Ginuglo. Number 42. Nakuha yung number 17. Uy, pinakasalbas. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 0. 10 to shoot. Basket. Number 2. Ginuglo. Pinakasalang basket. Uy, nakagawa ni number 8. Number 29, 2 meters, wala. Nueve goal. 14 to shoot. Number 29.
Uy.
Wala nakakuha ni. Tinasa kay number 0. Basket yan. Number 17, nagsagana ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 42. Basket. Number 3. Number 3. Pinasa kay number. Uy, nakagawa number 42. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Wala. Nakakuha ng number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 0. Basket. Number 8. Bang. Sabret.
Okay na lang.
Number 13. Pass to number 3. To number 18, to Mira ng 3. Bang! Three! Kuya Ige. Ikaw na ng bola, Kuya Ige. Pass to number 10. shoot. Uy. Same ball. Cover 3. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Cover 30, tumira ng 3. Bang! 3. Kuya PJ. 15 to shoot. 2 number 22. Cover 42. 2 number 29. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 3. Cover 3. Pass to number 13. To number 0. Cover 3. Umatay. Tinasakay number 0. Foul. First personal foul, first team foul.
Uy.
Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 20 Nakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 3. Number 3.
Uy. Sayang.
Defensive foul. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 8. To number 29. Number 29 tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 42. Number 42. 7 to shoot. Kuya EJ. Pinakang sa kalaban. Number 13. Umistak. Tumira na 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 0.
One.
Basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 42. Number 39. 7 to shoot. Number 8. 5 to shoot. 5. $57 seconds, time remaining. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Tinasakay number 0. Number 0. Foul. Number 42. Pass to Kuya PJ. Kuya PJ, pass to number 9. Foul. First personal foul, first team foul. 41 seconds, time remaining. Number 3. To number 13, tumira 3, wala. 30 seconds. 30 to shoot. Number 13. Uy.
Ay.
20 seconds, time remaining. Number 6. Kuya Ike. 10 seconds. Tumira 3, wala. 5 seconds. Number 1. Ini-easy ang ball. Tinasa sa ilalim. Nakuha ni number 42. Number 42 nagpapagalay number 42. Uy, step back. Number 1. Wala nakuha ni number 22. Number 1. Turn to shoot. Number 31. Uy, nakuha ni number 17. Number 17, Ginnugulo. Ginnugulo. Foul, number 31. Second personal foul, first team foul. Kuya TJ, basket. Number 1. To number 13. Ball. Hooray! Kuya TJ, pass to number. Basket. Number 13 to number 1. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ. Pinaka ni number 17 to number 12 to Mira. Wala nakuha ni. Number 3. Start matay. Basket. Number 70. Finish to shoot. Number 17 pass to number 22. Number 29 to Mira. Number 1. Wala nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 22, number 42, number 42. Basket yan. Number remaining 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 31. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Number 1 to number 55 to number 1 again. 10 to shoot. Foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Sabrak. Kuya EJ. Dadala ng bola Kuya EJ. Pinaka number 15 to shoot. Kuya EJ. To number 42, 10 to shoot. Wala nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Nagpapadali ng agawan ni Kuya EJ. Kuya EJ na wala ka bola. Kuya EJ. Basket. Number 21. Pass to number 3 to number 1. Wala.
Ano ba yun?
10 to shoot. Number 13. Wala nakuha ni number 55 to number 3. Foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Basket again. Kuya EJ Ginugulo, nakagawan. Pass to number 13. Basket. Number 42. To Kuya EJ. Tina na kay number 8. Number 8. Ginugulo, number 8.
Nice po.
Kulang na Kuwani. Tina sa kay number 13. Number 13. Basket. Time out. Kuya EJ. 15 to shoot. Kuya EJ. Pati ng Bexel number 22 Tira. Wala nakakuha ni number 22. Number 42. Basket niya. Time remaining 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 31. Number 31 to be discarded. Number 31, Tina sa labas. Kuya EJ, back to number 8. Number 8.
Oh my God.
Kuya EJ, 15 to shoot. Number 42, Tumira, basket. Number 31, pass to number 3. To number 0. Number 0, Kule. Nakuha ni number 42. Pass to number 29.
Dapat yan,
Number 29, to Kuya EJ.
Pumasip na.
Number 29, to Mirandres Barra.
Kita isa, yan. Kita.
Number 3, pass to number 0. 15 to shoot. Number 13. Number 13 to Mira, basket. Number 29.
Okay na yan.
Number 29, pass to number 8, basket. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Ini-easy ang bola. 10 to shoot. Number 3. Pass to number 32. Mira na tres. Wala. Nakuha ni. Number 9. Number 9. Number 2. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Gumagamit ng oras. Number 3. 15 to shoot, number 3.
Nice.
Pass to number 0. Wala nakuha ni number 42. Number 42. Foul. Number 8. Ginugulo, number 8. Pinasa lagi basket. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Siyam na lang po ang kalabangan. Number 55. Wala. Nakuha ni number 0. 10 to shoot. Number 95. Basket. Kuya PJ. 15 to shoot. Kuya PJ. Number 42.
Huli.
To number 29. Pass to shoot. Pinasa kay number 30, number 30 to Mirandres. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Basket yan.
Ayan na. Tribon. Huli.
Kuya number 3. Pass to number 29 to number 42. Basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds.
Makulot.
Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 3.
Stop! Ready.
Turn to shoot, number 30. Wala na kuha ni number 42.
Wait na, wala na.
Time remaining, 1 minute and 21 seconds. First personal foul, 30 foul.
Yeah.
Kuya TJ. Pasu number 2. 15 to shoot, number 22 minutes.
Anis.
Pagtabing mo. Tabawa.
Number 55.
Tampo tayo. Tampo.
15 to shoot, number 30. To number 3. Basket. 56 seconds, time remaining. Kuya
May
TJ.
bounce to give pa kami. Bounce to give. Dalawa.
Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3. Foul. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 13. 5 to shoot. To number 3.
Oh!
To number 55.
Tira! Oh, tumama, tumama. Mahal mo, mahal mo.
Number 2.
Tira!
Pass to number 29 to Mira. Wala.
Nice hit!
Number 55.
Noise warm. Nice.
If you don't know the whole story, shut up.